I'm bored, I don't want to practice. Fun practices for bored handpan players. Play along to someone on YouTube with the same scale as you. Play along with different drum beats that you can also find on YouTube or on my website. Listen to a podcast while you practice drills.
In this episode of the True Crime Podcast, cease and desist letters, court hearings, lawyers that cost lots of money, workshop raids, excruciatingly long documents, more lawyers that cost more money, hours and hours of Zoom meetings, the feeling of constant dread, and community crowdfunding. But will it be enough to save the handpan from attempted murder?
Geek out with a friend. Hello. Now I know exactly what you're going to tell me, that it's a matter of context and opinion, but if I send you a groove, can you tell me whether it's in 3/4 or 6/8, because I can't work it out myself. Finger drum, literally anywhere. Or you can pretend to practice by binge watching more YouTube videos. Like this one.